Hey, New York City. This is Clark with TV Mounting, New York City. The title of this video or podcast, depending on you're watching it, is preparing for your NYC TV Mount. This is just some pointers that you can use to help ensure that when we arrive, you have a seamless experience. All right. So the first thing you want to do when you're getting a TV mounted, of course, is you want to think about beforehand, how high do you want the TV? Think about the TV like a painting. How high do you want it? The top of the TV should go where? Adversely, if you have some furniture or something underneath the TV, then you want to measure from the bottom of the floor above that space. So let's say you have a desk or a cabinet or something, and it's about 25 inches from the ground. So you would want to measure the TV above. You want the TV above that and maybe some white space. So you say 30 inches, so you have 5 inches in between. Or maybe on top of the desk or something, there's some speakers, whatever the case may be. Think about that. We'll take that into consideration as well, but think about how high the spaces that you're trying to clear. So whether it's a flat mount on the wall, or you're trying to clear some other stuff, think about how high you want it, and we can work with you when we get there to do that. Don't open any of the boxes. Like if you have a new mount, don't open it. If you have a TV that's new, don't open it. All right. Just because it's better for us to open it, and we know where all the pieces are, and a lot of the whatever comes with the mount. Something may look like it's useless or to you, but whatever the case may be, it may be some materials that we actually need. Workspace. So working with the TV, and the TV is a very sensitive and delicate object. So during the process, we're going to have to possibly lay it down somewhere and do some measurements and so forth. If it's in the living room, most people will have, we can use their couch to possibly just temporarily put the TV on the couch and lay the TV there. If we have a floor, then we can have a drop cloth and put the TV on the drop cloth and do that, and make sure we can work from that area. But we just need space. Remember, the main thing is that the area shouldn't be too cluttered. Think about, we're gonna have to lay the TV down, install the mounting brackets, and we just need space. Whether it's your bedroom, so we can lay the TV on the bed, living room, lay the TV on the floor or the couch temporarily. You just need space. Think about that. Also, just have broom and dustpan available. There's going to be some drilling into the walls, whether it's brick or drywall. There's going to be some work done. It's not going to be too intense, but it's going to be enough where things have to be swept up. So either vacuumed and, whatever things that are around the area that we're working in, possibly there has to be some vacuuming or sweeping. So that's all that, just try to have that. And also that area should be cleared out as much as possible. Plants, any sensitive object should be just moved from that area before we arrive. If not,